Chemical bond breaking strips away old finishes in minutes. But how do these liquids actually force paint to let go? Removing it by hand takes hours of abrasive scraping, and you risk gouging the original wood. Take a vintage wooden chair covered in 5 thick, stubborn layers of hardened paint. Zoom in, and you'll find an interlocking grid of long molecule chains tightly gripping the wood. That rigid structure is called a polymer network. Physical scraping only fractures the top fraction of this grid. The lower layers stay completely untouched, firmly anchored to the base. But pour on a chemical stripper, and tiny solvent molecules act like microscopic wedges. They're small enough to seep straight through the entire grid, bypassing the top and reaching the bottom. As these bond breaker molecules pack into the tight spaces, the paint film rapidly swells and expands from the inside out. This violent expansion snaps the adhesive connections holding the paint to the wood. The once tight layers buckle and wrinkle into a single, disconnected sheet, now resting passively on the wood grain. So what does this mean for that vintage chair? Because those bottom bonds are broken, all 5 layers slide right off with a single effortless swipe.